Bam, what's happening, good people? It's me, your homegirl, Ladosha Wright, and hey, we just want to invite you guys to join us here at the Reverence Design Team Hair Salon on Sunday, May 19th, as we host our 13th annual hair care workshop for foster parents, adoptive parents, transracial adoption parents, grandparents, you know, mamas, daddies. Come on and join us as we're going to teach you guys how to take care of children's hair. That's right, it's a children's hair care workshop. You don't want to miss this one. It's sponsored by Reverence. We've got some great giveaways. We also gonna, give you guys little refreshments. So come on, RSVP, call 216-321-1101. Seating is limited. It's free, and Christian and myself, we're gonna be hosting the workshop. And so we just wanna see you guys here. Ain't that right, Christian?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll see you guys on Sunday, May 19th. We are going to celebrate Foster Parent Awareness Month with a free hair care workshop. So we want to see y'all in the house because the Rev Air is the bomb from that Rev Air. Y'all kids gonna love that. Bye.